Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. My dear students, I hope you are happy and settled with wherever you are and getting used to your online lessons now. So today, inshallah, we'll be continuing taking our lessons for English for the third year. My name is teacher Inaz Al-Hadidi. So I hope you have your books, notebooks, and some pencils because we will be doing some writings. So let's try to remember what is the name of our lesson. It is called, the unit is called Time. This is lesson number 2, page 38. Page 38. Let's start. Bismillah. So let's try to remember what have we learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we learned about time, how to ask about time, how to tell time. Okay, how can we ask about time? It's either we say, what time is it? Or, what is the time, please? What time is it? What is the time, please? Today we'll be continuing, taking more about time, learning more. So, time is very important. Time management is very important. Let's start. This is a very important question. We'll be saying this over and over in this week. What time is it? Or what is the time, please? What time is it? What is the time, please? As you can see, we need these numbers because these are the numbers in our watches or in our digital watches. So let's start with the first number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these are the numbers that we need for our time or telling the time. Also in the previous lesson, we learned how to say the time if we have 30 minutes. So if it's 1:30, I will say 1:30 or 1:30, 6:30 or 6:30, and so on. Okay, so let's try to answer this, my dear student. If I ask you, what time is it here? What time is it here? Or what is the time, please? What is the time, please? Can I say it is 11 exactly? Or is it 12 exactly? No. So what time is it? It is 11:30 or it is 11:30. Again, so if I ask, what time is it? It is 11:30 or 11:30. Very good, 11:30. Now, I need you to help me with this one. For this one, let me pick different color. Okay, I need you to help me to draw the hands of the clock. As you can see, there are no hands for the clock. I don't know the minutes or the hours, but I have it in here. So here it is 8:30. I need you to help me to draw. So this is 8. And this is 30. So it is 8:30 or 8:30. 8:30 or 8:30. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I have 3:30. So what time is it? I need to draw the clock. 3:30. Very good. So I can say 3:30 or 3:30. 3:30 or 3:30. The last one I have 7:30. This is 7:30. So if I ask again, what time is it? It is 7:30 or 7:30. 7:30. Very good. Let's go to the next one, to the next exercise. This is a different one. Now we'll be doing the different. I need you to help me to write the time. I already have the hands of the clock. So I have this one as an example. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. How about this one? What time is it, my dear student? What time is it? Is it 4 o'clock? It's not 4 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. Very good. It is 5 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next one. What time is it? Or what is the time, please? Okay, what do you think? Is it 7 o'clock? Is it 8 o'clock? No, it is 9 o'clock. Very good. It is 9 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next one. What time is it? Is it 10 o'clock? No. Is it 11 o'clock? Yes, it is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next one. What time is it? What time is it? Is it 12 o'clock? 1 o'clock? 2 o'clock? No, it is 3 o'clock. Very good. It is 3 o'clock. And the last one here I have, what time is it, my dear student? Is it 5 o'clock? Is it 4 o'clock? No, it is 6 o'clock. Very good. So let's read the time, this time faster. I have 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next one. For this exercise also we'll be doing the hands of the clock. The first one I have 11:30. So let's draw the hands. 11:30. So what's the time? It's 11:30 or 11:30. Next one I have is 9:30. What time is it? 9:30. So let's draw the hands. 9:30. 9:30 or 9:30. Very good. The last one here I have is 6:30. So what time is it? 6:30. So this is 6 and this is 30. So let's read the time one more time. 11:30, 9:30 and 6:30. Very good. Let's go to the next one. For this one, I need you to write the time for me. I need you to help me to write the time. So let's start with number 1. What time is it, my dear student? What's the time, please? It is 5. Is it 5 exactly? No, it is 5:30. Very good. It is 5:30. Excellent. Let's go to number 2. What time is it, my dear student? What time is it? Is it 4:30? No, it is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to number 3. What time is it? Or what is the time, please? Is it 6 o'clock exactly? No, it is 6:30. Very good. It is 6:30 or 6:30. Very good. Let's go to number 4. What time is it? What is the time? Is it 8 exactly? No, it is 8:30. Very good. It is 8:30 or 8:30. Okay, let's go to number 5. What time is it, my dear student? Is it 12 exactly? No, it is 12:30. It is 12:30. And the last one here I have is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. So let's read the time together. Number 1, 5:30, 4 o'clock, 6:30, 8:30, 12:30, and 6 o'clock. And 6 o'clock. Very good. Let's go to the next exercise. Today I'll be introducing 2 more words for you. Remember, you need to have your books at page 38. Today we will be introducing 2 words, early and late. Early and late. What do I mean? What do I mean? What do I mean by early and late? Let me show you this picture. Let's read this. هذا الحديث موجود. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم اللهم بارك لأمتي في بكورها. مقدمة للدرس. So let's start. So what do I mean by early and late? As you can see, this is a funny picture. Early bird and night owl. So if you wake up early, you are like an early bird. But if you stay up till night, okay, you are a night owl. You are a night owl. So what does early mean? This is a picture that means early, waking up early, going to work early, on time. It's a very good word, okay? This is early. But this is late. Going to bed late, going to work late, doing homework late. It's not a very good word, okay? It's not a very good word, okay? So as you can see, I have these 2 pictures also that gives the difference between early and late. The picture to your left, I have this boy. He's happy, he is smiling, he's feeling fresh because he wake up early. But to your right, as you can see, this man is upset. He is not feeling well because he stay up all night late. This is the meaning or the difference between early and late. So it is good to be early and it is bad to be late. Let's go to the next one. Also, this picture shows the difference between early and late. The guy to your right is going to work, basically running, because he is late. The next one, he arrives to the shop before it opens because it is early, So I need you to help me with this one. And this one, I need you to choose. So now you learn the difference between early and late. Look at this picture. Look at this guy. He wakes up. What do you think? Early or late? He wakes up. What do you think? Early or late? He doesn't look relaxed. He looks shocked. He looks upset. So remember, early is a good word. Late is a bad word. So he wakes up what? Late. As you can see, it's 9 o'clock. He wakes up late. Very good. He wakes up late. Let's go to the next exercise. How about this one? Also, I need you to choose with me. This student, he writes his homework early, late. What do you think? He's sleeping. He is not writing well. He doesn't feel well. As you can see, he's writing A, and then he missed his homework. So he writes his homework. What do you think? Early or late? Late. Very good. He writes his homework late. He writes his homework late. Very good. Let's go to the next one. For the next one, what about the students? What about the smiley, happy students? He writes his homework early or late? Remember, early is a good word, late is a bad word. So what do you think? He writes his homework? Very good, early. He is calm, he is relaxed, he is happy, he is smiling. Very good. He writes his homework early. He writes his homework early. Let's go to the next one. How about the student sneaking into the class? What do you think? Is it a good word or a good picture or a bad picture? Let's read the sentence. He arrives to the class late or early. Look at the teacher. He is not happy. He is upset. He arrives to the class late or early. Late. Very good. He arrives to the class late. He arrives to the class late. Very good. Let's go to the next one. How about this boy running? He is late or early for the school bus. What do you think? He is early, late for the school bus. What do you think? Is he early, late? Does he look? He is late for the school bus. He is late for the school bus. Very good. He is late. Let's go to the next one. How about this one? Again, choose. He arrived late, early to the class. Look at the teacher pointing to the clock because he is upset. What do you think? Did he arrive early? No, he arrived late to the class. He arrived late to the class. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's read this one together. Time to sleep, 9 o'clock. So if you go to bed, 9 o'clock, it is early. It is early. Very good. How about time to get up? If you wake up at 7 o'clock, you wake up also early. So both pictures, early, they are good. Let's go to the next one. So for this one, I need you to help me to complete the sentences. He sleeps. What do you think? He looks calm. He looks relaxed. It is 9 o'clock. So is he sleeping late or early? What do you think? Late or early? He is sleeping early. He is sleeping early. Very good. Early. How about that one? He's waking up fresh. He is waking up. He had enough time. He is happy. He is smiling. He is motivated. He wakes up again early. Both pictures are good pictures because he goes to bed early and he wakes up also early. Let's go to the next one. So let's try to read this one. It's very important. Also time. Time is very important in our lives. As you remember in the previous lesson, we discussed few tips on time management. Have time for exercise, to eat healthy food, to meet with family, to do your homework, okay? Time management. Let's go to the next one. So, I hope now you have your books at page 38. You have this at page 38. This is the whole page, okay? So, I divided because I needed it to be clear enough. So, look and say. Let's read the conversation together. Look, it is 6:30. Are we late for the school? Look, it is 6:30. Are we late for the school? No, we are not. We are early. We are early. So let's read this one more time. Look, it is 6:30. Are we late for school? No, we aren't. Or we are not. We are early. 6:30 is early. But 8:30 or 7:30 is late. Is late. Let's go to the next one. Now, for this one, I hope you have your pencils because I need you to do this with me. Okay? So again, this is at page 38. Let's do number 2. Look and choose. Look at the first sentence. This sentence. He comes. He is sneaking to the class. The teacher doesn't look happy. He is, what do you think, early or late? Early or late? He is? He is late. Very good. He is late. Okay, let's go to the next picture. He goes to bed. It is 10 o'clock. So he goes to bed. What do you think? Early or late? 10 o'clock. Is it early or late? It is, again, early. It is early. Very good. Let's go to the third one. He wakes up. It is 5 a.m. He wakes up. Early or late? What do you think? Early or late? He wakes up early. Very good. Now, he writes his homework. This is the fourth one. He writes his homework at 10 o'clock. He's worried. He's not happy. He writes his homework late. He writes his homework late. Very good. So let's go through the sentences one more time. Number 1, he comes late. He goes to bed early. He wakes up early. He writes his homework late. So that was our lesson, my dear students. So let's try to remember what have we learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to say the time by asking what time is it or what is the time, please. Okay, and also we discussed 2 different words, word early and word late. Remember, early is a good word. It is good to be early and it is bad to be late. Until I see you next time, be early. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.